Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to change delivery address in Amazon. Whether you've moved to a new place or just want to send your orders somewhere else, updating your delivery address is super simple. First of all, open the Amazon application or website on your device and make sure that you're logged into the account. After you're inside the home page, if you move to the topmost section of the screen, you will see delivery address option. Tap on the drop down and then from here you can choose your location at the pop-up at the bottom. If you just want to update your address, you can tap on manage address book, and then on the next page tap on add a new address and then select a different address from the drop-down. After you do that, you may also need to enter your full name, phone number, address, state, enter your postcode, etc. Go ahead and write down the information in the text box. After entering all of the credentials, you can tap on this Add Address button at the bottom to add the new address. But if you want to make this one your default address, check on this little square box at the bottom and tap on Add Address. Soon after you do that, you will be able to save the new address in your Amazon account. From now on, your orders will be sent to the location that you've just updated. So that's how you can easily change your delivery address in Amazon. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.